Think you're working hard at the gym? You might be making mistakes that are sabotaging your progress. Studies show that over 70% of beginners struggle to see results due to common errors. Are you one of them? Let's uncover the top mistakes that could be ruining your gains. In this video, we'll discuss 5 critical mistakes beginners make and how to fix them for maximum results. Ready to level up your gym game? Let's dive into the first mistake. Mistake number 1. Bad form. Poor technique can lead to injuries and less effective workouts. Always focus on your form first. Consider working with a trainer or watching tutorial videos. Mistake number 2. Overtraining. More isn't always better. Listen to your body. Ensure you have rest days in your routine to allow recovery. Mistake number 3. Poor nutrition. You can't out-train a bad diet. Focus on balanced meals rich in protein, carbs, and healthy fats. Mistake number 4. Neglecting cardio. It's essential for heart health and fat loss. Incorporate cardio at least 2 to 3 times a week for optimal results. Mistake number 5. Lack of goal setting. Without goals, you may lose motivation. Set realistic, achievable goals and track your progress. Let's quickly recap the top 5 mistakes. Bad form, overtraining, poor nutrition, neglecting cardio, and lack of goal setting. Now that you know these mistakes, it's time to take action and improve your gym routine. These changes can dramatically enhance your workout efficiency and results. For more insights and tips, make sure to subscribe to our channel. Stay tuned for more videos like this one to help you crush your fitness goals. Remember, the journey to fitness is a marathon, not a sprint. Let's take it one step at a time.